Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And I would like to especially welcome all my subscriber friends because today we have FABFITFUN. Being poolside brings you joy. And we're going to find out what I chose in my customized box right now. And if you are new here, then I want to welcome you as well. And I would like for you to hit that subscribe button and maybe even the notification bell so you'll know my next videos. We do all kinds of videos here, but today we're doing lifestyle of FABFITFUN. If you're not familiar with FABFITFUN, it is a quarterly box that runs $59.99 a quarter, or you can get an annual subscription for $54.95. If you're an annual subscriber, you get lots of perks. You get your box sooner, you get to do your customization sooner. They do have 6 customizations of all kinds of products, and I will try to tell you some of these products as we go through here, but I just want to get in this box and share it with you all because it is so exciting. This is the inside of the box. It says thanks for shopping with us. It says deals for days and deals every week on all your favorite things. Save up to 80%. Shop O. Hendricks. Liquid Death. I'm not sure what all this means. I guess they're getting some advertisements for their boxes. So that's what I see is marketing, advertise. So those are some of their brands that they represent, and that is what they're doing. They're selling space on their boxes so that they can have a little bit more revenue, and the companies can have a little bit more exposure. So again, we have our little scratch off game because we are doing the $10,000 prize. They had their 10-year anniversary, and we're going to scratch off. I don't know, it says play for a chance to win. Scratch and match. Match 4 logos in a row to win. All right, well, let's see if we get any. I wonder if it has to be the exact same one. I guess it does. So far, we're not winning. I don't think I won anything on the last one either. And I don't think I'm going to win anything on this one either. I don't know what the odds are, but I'd have to say to win $10,000, the chances have to be very slim. So yeah, we can tell by looking at this that I don't have any 4 that are the same. There's something different on each one. So boo-hoo, I didn't win the $10,000, but it says, let's dive in. Your summer has arrived and the vibe is good. Times in sunshine, explore the FABFITFUN finds. Get ready to catch some rays. And it's got a note on here to catch more information about your products. I've got my phone here, and maybe they've listened to us that we've been upset by not having a product card that has our information. They sometimes send us the magazine that's full of some information, but it's not really, when we're looking at this, we want to see the product card. And let's see what I can find out here. Edit your box selections. Check your box status. To me, this has done nothing but just take me to FABFITFUN. I'm not a fan of when they just send you a product code and all it does is take you to their advertising site, more or less. They want to tell me all about their great products and how I can discover products and customize your box, which I've already done. Check your box status. Those are all things that you can do, but I'm not interested in that right now. I want to know about the products. What I can do is tell you my customizations. The first item I'm picking up out of here is customization number 1 that I chose, and it's the Kate Spade New York lemon pitcher instead of 2 cups. If you can't tell, I've got puppies around here. The thing that it's not telling me is how much it was, but most of their customizations for an average were around $40. Nothing was really extravagant this time around. Nothing to really jump up and down and go, oh wow. So just for FYI, but they did have some nice little items. And let's take a peek at this Kate Spade, and when I find the price, I'll put it up in the screen there so you can at least know what the value is, and I'll give you a full evaluation of pricing and what my cost was, which my cost, I'm an annual member and I get to choose everything early. I get to ship early. I I had a $15 credit, so I used that to go toward speeding this up. So I got it really fast. And this is the picture. I would say it's not an oversized picture. I would say this is a 1 quart. That would be my guess, that it's a 1 quart because it's small. So, in my opinion, it's not a regular size. Like when you think of a pitcher, you're going to usually have a pitcher that holds 2 quarts, like of Kool-Aid. Well, I think this would hold 1 quart of Kool-Aid. And our daiquiris, whatever you want. It is cute. And we've got 2 little pink clear glasses that we can have poolside too, and or at the beach, but you know, it's not going to break. So that part's handy. And the same way with our lemon pitcher. And that would look great with some lemonade in it, I'll have to say. It's good quality. It's Kate Spade. And it's got Kate Spade of New York on the pitcher. So that was my customization number 1. Now customization number 2, I picked out the Sunday Citizen bath set. And that is in this box right here. And it's a resin bath set. It's an ensemble, it says. It includes an 11-ounce refillable soap dispenser and 11-ounce toothbrush holder. And it's a Sunday Citizen product. So let's unseal this so that we can get in it. They've got it packed really good. And let's go ahead and get it out of here. Oh, this is pretty. It's gray and white. This will go great in my kitchen. I know they talk about the soap dispenser being in the bathroom. It'll go in my bathroom too. I've got the same tile in the bathrooms. So, and this is our toothbrush holder. But again, this could be a brush holder or another top holder here in the kitchen. I could use it. And like I said, it's got the gray. And of course, that's the bottom. And then it's trimmed in gold. And that's very pretty. Yeah, I'll probably end up using this in my kitchen because I think it'll go better in here. And I can get more use out of it. But that is the Sunday Riley customization number 2. My guess would be, again, maybe $40, $48, not sure. My next item of customization is number 3. And because we have a pool and because I have grandkids, I decided to get the pool ring. And I don't know, I want to say this might be a $25 value. We'll see how close I get to it whenever I find the actual prices. But let's see what the ring is. I know a lot of times I give you the full disclosure, but today I don't have all that in front of me, and we're just going through the box. And this is big. It's got gold specks in it. And it's going to be a ring. This is really huge. This might be a $35 one. Wow. Yeah, see, that's really big, okay? You see those little speckles in there? That's huge. Oh, my grandkids are going to love that. I should have got another one of these, and maybe I did. I don't remember in my second custom box. But that's what I got in this one, and this is a win. No matter what, we're going to get use out of it. Now, customization number 4, I had Matagallen digital luggage scale. And again, I'm not sure how much this runs, but it is right here. And it is going to let me know what my luggage weighs before I go on trips. Now, I bought one from TEMU. I haven't showed it yet, but I wasn't sure what the quality would be from TEMU. So I got this one. And as you can see, it's you put your little luggage on there, and then you press those buttons and lift it up, and it's gonna tell you how much it weighs. And that's gonna come in real handy. My husband's gonna like that. And again, I don't know how much this is. I'll just say around $30, $40, and we'll see where I land when I put the price up there. Now, the next item that I am seeing in here would be customization number 5. And in customization number 5, I picked a moisturizer, the Laneige Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer 20 ml. Now this could be worth $50. But again, I'm not sure. They had limited quantities of this, and I was sure to get one because it has hyaluronic cream in the moisturizer, and I'm sure to use that. And it is sealed, but I'm going to break the seal because I am going to use it. And I'm going to put some here on my hand. Feels really good. Let's see how fast it absorbs. It's got a light scent. It's not a heavy scent, which is good. And I don't know if there's any, it's a good travel size. If there's any other information, it says visibly smooth, improves texture, and it's got the blue hyaluronic. It says cream moisturizer, and it's dermatology tested. It is blue hyaluronic and high efficiency. It is beta glucan and helps to soothe skin. It's also got some clean, deep algae in it, and it's got some hydrogenated, fermented with the clean, deep algae. So, that sounds good. All right, well, I'm looking forward to trying that. And if I'm not mistaken, I ordered that twice, but we'll find out when my second customization comes in. Now, number 6 is the last item, and I have gotten a few of these products, and it was the Rodale Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Drink. Now, this is something that you would spray on your face, and again, I don't know how much this runs, but my guess is going to be $50 or more. I could be wrong, it could be $40, and we'll find out. But this is a spray that you can spray on your face for a little drink. Can't say that it smells anything specific, but it doesn't smell bad, and it doesn't have a high scent to it. And it just says it's a hyaluronic drink to hydrate and tone your face. So you can use this to hydrate like I just did, or if you want to use it for your toner prior to makeup, you can do that. So it's a dual purpose, and I'm really going to enjoy this. I'm going to use all these products. That's one thing you get out of FABFITFUN. You get to customize and you get to choose all your items. Now, I did get one item as an add-on, and only because it was a $78 value, marked down to $4.99. So that's like a 90% savings. I'm going to see if I can get it out of here without ripping the package up. Okay, it's probably a winter type Afghan, and I'm going to leave it folded up because this is going to be in a future giveaway, and it may not be until, winter time. But this is very nice. It's very soft, as you can see there. It's like a light pink mauve color, and it's got fringe ends on the end of it, and it is like a poncho type style. And like I said, it's very cute, and it is a winter product, so that's maybe why it was $4.99. I'm going to keep it intact because, like I said, this may be a future giveaway. But that was a great buy. So as a recap of my customized box, we had Kate Spade and 2 glasses. Very nice. We had in customization number 2, we had our soap dispenser, and they call it toothbrush holder. I may call it brush holder in my kitchen. We had the luggage weight calculator so that you can know what your luggage is going to weigh. We had the water bank, the blue hyaluronic cream moisturizer, which I'm going to love. And number 6, we had the Dragon's Blood by Rodale. There you go. It's a very good brand. And this big tube for the pool. And like I said, my grandkids are going to love that. And I hope I got another one, but I don't remember if I did or not. Time will tell. We make these customizations and you think you'd remember what you got. And most of the time I do, but every once in a while I don't. And today, that's all I have for FABFITFUN. I'm so excited. I hope you liked what I chose. What's your favorite item of everything that I got? Well, I think my favorite item is going to be, I'm going to pick 2 things. My favorite item is going to be the soap dispenser and the brush holder. And my second item that I'm going to pick is going to be the Rodale Dragon's Blood Toner, because I know this is really good. And then, of course, I like this and I like that. Okay, yeah, we could go on and on about what we like. Do you get FABFITFUN? Did you get your box yet? I'm sure it's on its way if you haven't gotten it yet. Like I said, I had a $15 credit and I used it to speed up my shipment on this particular customization. My next box will be coming in at some point. I'm not sure exactly when, but when it does, we're going to have a Triple Crown battle, and you know what that means. There's going to be a giveaway with that battle with Reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten reviews. So be on the lookout for the Triple Crown FABFITFUN battle that will be coming out in the next, I don't know, I want to say couple of weeks or so. But we will get it up as fast as we can as soon as we all have our boxes. But as for today, I just want to say, hey, check my descriptions. I have a couple of giveaways that you might be interested in and enter. And there may be other items in my description that you may be interested in. I have a coupon for 20% off Rose Forever if you want roses that last over a year to send to your mother or to any other occasion, anniversary, friend, whatever. They are beautiful. There's 9 of them sitting back there on my freeze box. But with that said, that's all I have. And as for today in FABFITFUN, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.